In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new collection for your online store. This process is simple and efficient, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a beautifully crafted collection ready to display to your customers. First things first, let's navigate to your homepage where this entire process begins. Once you're there, look for the Products section on your dashboard. This is essentially your hub for organizing and managing everything related to the products you offer. Click on Products and you'll see a drop-down menu where you should select Collections. Collections are a fantastic way to group related products, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. Now you've reached the Collections area. Here is where the magic happens. You should see an option labeled Add Collection. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll start building your new collection from scratch. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your collection. Choose a title that clearly reflects the theme or type of products you'll be featuring in this collection. A well-chosen title can catch the eye and help with searchability on your site. Next up is the description. This part is crucial. A good description not only informs but also entices your visitors. Describe what your collection is all about in a way that's engaging and informative. You want to highlight the benefits and unique aspects that your collection offers. Let's not forget about the visual appeal. Adding an image is the next important step. An attractive image can make a huge difference in drawing customers in. It should be relevant and of high quality, ideally showcasing the essence of what you're offering. This image will be like the cover page of your collection, so choose wisely. Once you've entered all this information, it's time to save your work. You'll probably find a Save button at the bottom or top of the page. By clicking Save, all the details you've painstakingly entered are securely recorded, and your collection is now officially part of your product lineup. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a new collection for your store. This is a powerful tool for organizing your stock in a way that helps customers easily find what they need and encourages them to explore more of what you have to offer. Remember, well-thought-out collections enhance the shopping experience and can significantly impact your sales. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.